In a relational database management system, relations refer to the way in which data is organized and connected across multiple tables within a database. These relationships are defined by the use of keys, which are used to link related data between tables. There are three main types of relations that can exist between tables in a database. One-to-one. A one-to-one relationship exists between two tables when each record in the first table is related to exactly one record in the second table, and vice versa. For example, in a family, a husband can have one wife and a wife can have only one husband. One-to-many. A one-to-many relationship exists between two tables when each record in the first table can be related to one or more records in the second table, but each record in the second table can be related to only one record in the first table. For example, a football team can have many footballers but a footballer belong to a single team. Many-to-many. A many-to-many relationship exists between two tables when each record in the first table can be related to one or more records in the second table, and vice versa. For example, a student can study many subjects or a subject can be studied by many students. To establish relationships between tables in a relational database, primary keys and foreign keys are used. A primary key is a unique identifier for each record in a table, while a foreign key is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. By using primary and foreign keys, data can be easily linked and accessed across multiple tables in a database. Overall, relations are essential to the proper functioning of a relational database, as they enable the efficient organization and management of complex data sets.